Hey fam, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please hit that subscribe button to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys different things that you can try on your hair to make your hair grow faster, especially when you're growing a 4C hair. As you can see, this one is rice water. Rice water helps and it aids hair growth seriously.
Rice water, to make your hair grow extremely fast. Welcome to our page, and tell me what color your hair is, and how many inches you want it to grow. Today's video will show you all the benefits of rice water on your hair. So I invite you to stay with me until the end, because as a bonus, I will also teach you how to use rice water on your skin. Asian women are known for having the longest hair in the world, as well as having excellent self-esteem, and they use a very specific recipe to grow their hair. Rice water is like a sacred remedy for hair growth, and it is very simple to prepare. Women in China prepare this recipe in a different way, and I want to show you how. This mixture contains 8 amino acids and vitamins, which strengthen the hair and help it grow. This care routine leaves the hair silky and well pigmented, so besides taking care of your hair and making it grow faster, it helps maintain the hair color. Fermented rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamin E. It has restorative properties, contains inositol, a carbohydrate known to repair damaged hair, protects hair from future damage. The amino acids in fermented rice water help strengthen hair roots. Take notes. Ingredients: a bowl and a cup of white rice. We are going to wash the rice and stir it with our hands to eliminate the residues present in the rice grain. Then pour the first water, and now we will add more water to the rice. We will do the same process, but we will not pour the water. We're going to do a kind of massage with our hands, like this, so that the nutrients from the rice pass into the water, and we'll do it in 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. Now you're going to put this water in a pot, just the water without the rice. The next step is to change the smell of the water, and you can use the peel of an orange. Peel the orange peel and put the peel together with the rice water in the pot. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. I like to add a tablespoon of coconut oil, or a few drops of lavender oil, or rosemary, which also helps to accelerate hair growth. Now store this mixture in a cool place away from light, inside a cupboard for example. You will leave this mixture closed for at least a week, because the rice water needs to ferment in order for it to have the desired effect. Before use, stir the liquid well. Now you can strain it, and put it in a container like a spray bottle. Then you will wash your hair twice a week with this mixture, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. The good thing about washing with the spray is that it is easier to wet the hair, without wasting the product, and to massage the scalp. Let's go to our today's extra. Rice water is beneficial not only for hair, but also for the skin. The vitamins, minerals, and amino acids present work wonders for the face. It contains ferulic acid, which is a great antioxidant. You can use rice water on your skin to cleanse your face. Soak a cotton ball in the rice water and gently massage your face for a few minutes, and gently rinse with warm water. Use this water every day as part of your skincare routine, and you will begin to notice smoother, firmer, more radiant skin. Acne treatment. Rice water acts as an astringent, closes pores, helps reduce the redness of pimples, helps reduce sunburn, helps reduce inflammation, and treats sunburned skin and eczema. Gently massage the affected skin with a cotton pad, previously moistened with rice water. Continue doing this for a few minutes, and then let it dry. Rice starch is effective in relieving itchy skin. Now tell me, what did you think of these homemade tricks, and which one would you dare to do? I'll wait for you in the next video. God bless you.
So guys, this particular one, she's explaining how she grew her hair very long and what she used. She used shea butter, she used coffee, she used 2 tablespoons of coffee, of course, honey, and 2 tablespoons of honey, and then she mixed them. Okay, she first of all double boiled it, put them in a hot water, like this, and then dissolved it. You guys, there's shea butter there's coffee, and then she sieved it, trying to remove the coffee article, and then she started applying it on her hair. It's that simple. That is how she grew her own hair and made it longer, and then she puts it in the cover like this and then washes off, and that's it. Her hair grew. And put it in her cup and start applying it on her hair. It's as easy as that. Now let's see how this young lady grew her own hair. She used rice, as you can see, and then she adds cold water, just cold normal water, and then she starts to rub it in, to wash it off, and then she lets it sit for 15 minutes, and then she adds her essential oils and then puts it into her container, and she starts spraying it on her hair. It's as easy as that. You see, that's a spraying bottle. Now this beautiful lady used rice to do her own hair. She washed it off and then puts another water and let 3 cups of water and then sieves it, add orange peel, stores it in her container, and that's it. She starts spraying it on her hair. That's all. You guys, that's beautiful. After it has stayed for a day, you see, she starts spraying it. It's beautiful. Now this beautiful lady used rice water to grow her hair. She sprays it on her hair, and then you see, just keep spraying. And one thing with virgin 4C hair is that they love water, anything water, and they love rice water too. This beautiful lady is going to tell us how she uses, what she uses to grow her hair too. You guys, her hair is so long for a 4C hair, very very long. Now let's see what she did, what she's training. I don't know. At this point, I can't really tell. Is that rice water too? Maybe she added turmeric. Okay, let's find out. I don't know. And okay, I think she used, this is a carrot oil. She applies it on her hair. You see, you guys, she got carrots. That's carrot. And then let's see what she's going to do with this carrot. She cuts it into pieces. She has lemon too. And this is a typical Nigerian lemon. Okay, this is how Nigerian lemons are not usually very yellow, like I've seen white people's lemon. So she's going to cut the peel. You guys, I heard that the peel are very 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 good for her hair, even for the skin too. And then she's going to add it into her blender, add coconut oil. How many cups? How many spoons? Olive oil too. She's going to add olive oil. In fact, I think at this point she's putting it as the spirit leads her. However she feels she wants to put, she put. And then she has blended it. After blending it, let's see what she's going to do next. She puts it into a sieve, a cloth sieve. I think a cloth sieve is easier here instead of using the normal sieve. And then she presses the oil. She presses the oil out of the cloth. You see the oil are coming out. The oil and the juice mixed together is coming out, and she's going to use it. That's the extract of what she did. That's a mixture of oil and water. Now she said she's going to use some part of it to make oil and the other part to make juice, so that she keep watching. So she has put this one in her tray, in her pot, her frying pan, and she's going to put it on the fire. Let's see how it goes. Now she heat it under low heat to burn out the water from the, you guys, you see the oil is slowly coming out. Now you can use it on your hair and your skin. That's very, 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 like very beautiful, oh, to be honest. That oil can be used for your hair, it can be used for your skin. I think it's going to be more effective for black people. And then she adds vitamin C, vitamin E oil too, few drops, you see, as you can see. And then she adds lemon oil too. This is really rich, really, really rich. And then she closes it, and that's her hair or skin oil. You guys, that's beautiful, very beautiful. So you guys, you might as well try it. Okay, try it. Let's see how it goes. These things are very beautiful and it aids hair growth a lot. So